Let's learn English with beautiful plants. Look at the picture and answer. Look and answer. What is this called? Monstera.
Monstera.
What is this called? Snake plant.
Snake plant.
What is this called? Peace lily.
Peace lily.
What is this called? Pothose.
Pothose.
What is this called? ZZ plant.
ZZ plant.
What is this called? Rubber plant.
Rubber plant.
What is this called? Aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
What is this called? Succulent.
Succulent.
What is this called? Spider plant.
Spider plant.
What is this called? Fiddle leaf figure.
Fiddle leaf figure.
What is this called? Calathea.
Calathea.
What is this called? Bamboo.
Bamboo.
What is this called? Fern.
Fern.
What is this called? Ivy.
Ivy.
What is this called? Cactus.
Cactus.
What is this called? Palm tree.
Palm tree.
What is this called? Oak tree.
Oak tree.
What is this called? Pine tree.
Pine tree.
What is this called? Maple tree.
Maple tree.
What is this called? Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
What is this called? Lavender.
Lavender.
What is this called? Sunflower.
Sunflower.
What is this called? Rose.
Rose.
What is this called? Tulip.
Tulip.
What is this called? Tulip.
Tulip.
What is this called? Daisy.
Daisy.
What is this called? Lotus.
Lotus.
What is this called? Water lily.
Water lily.
What is this called? Moss.
Moss.
What is this called? Bonsai.
Bonsai.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more easy English lessons.